Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio Build Tools 2019. So to do so, open this link. I provided the link in the video description. Once you open the link, then click on Download Build Tools. Scroll down, then expand the option which says Tools for Visual Studio 2019. Click on the down arrow. Scroll down and click on Build Tools for Visual Studio 2019. Click on Download. A exe file will download. You have to go ahead and click on it to run the exe file. Click on Yes to allow. Then click on Continue. The download is complete. Now it will go ahead and install it. May take few seconds. So once the installation is done, you will receive this window. Put a check on C++ Build Tools and then click on Install, and here you can see the size is 4.57 GB. So click on Install. So depending upon the speed of your internet, it will go ahead and download it and then it will install it. So this may take a couple of minutes. My internet speed is a bit slow, so if you have high internet speed, then it will download very quickly. Almost done. It's kind of stuck right now. I don't know why. Yeah, its download is complete. Now it should go ahead and install it. Install is almost 35% complete. So here you can see the installation is complete, and once the installation is complete you will see the screen which says installation succeeded. It took some time to download and install this file. So once this is done, you can close this window and you can go ahead and open application which requires Visual Studio. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.